show you how I cook my mac and cheese. I got some chicken bouillon cubes. Some of them be seasoned that you can sprinkle in. They didn't have no more, so I got my cubes. I'm gonna let them come to a boil, and I'm gonna add some salt in my water and let that heat up before I put my noodles in. While the water getting warm for the noodles, I'm gonna shred some cheese. Got some more cheese, and I'm gonna show you how to melt it down and make some liquid cheese. I'm gonna add my macaroni elbows to the boiling water with the bouillons in it. Cook for 8 minutes. You don't need to cook it no longer than 8 minutes. And do not add any oil to the water. Just flat out start stirring them as soon as they get up in the pot. Show you how to put this cheese together. I got 1.5 cups of evaporated milk. Put that in the pot. We're gonna heat this up. Got 2 eggs. Whip them up like that. I'm gonna add my 2 eggs into the evaporated milk. Then I'm gonna add some seasoning to it. Some pepper, some paprika, some garlic powder, and whatever seasons you like. I got some Creole up in there. It's for the flavor, and we're gonna bring that to a boil and add the cheese. After 8 minutes, drain your noodles. Do not rinse them off. Just keep them like it is. Put them in your pan. We're gonna add some butter to it. We're gonna put it in layers. I'm gonna add a little butter. Put a little bit of my shredded cheese in there. Like that there. I'm gonna hit it with a little more condensed milk. The rest of the 1/2 cup I had. Put some cheese and some butter in there. Now I'm gonna mix all of this up. I'm gonna mix it all up together before I bring the melted. I'm gonna show you how to melt the cheese next. Now I'm gonna add my cheese to the evaporated milk and the seasoning. Like that. Stir all that together. Let it cook similarly on slow. We're gonna melt this cheese up in there real nice and easy, baby. I'll show you how this gonna go next. These melt down pretty fast once the evaporated milk get hot. So you should be looking something like that right there. You see that there? Got my cheese. I'm gonna pour it over my mac and cheese. Like this, everywhere. Get that all in there together. Give it that real cheesy flavor. We'll mix that up real good now. That's how it should be looking once you mix it all up. It should have that sound. You know, that wet. Oh yeah, mix all that cheese up in there together, because you want every bite to have some cheese on it, you dig? I hit mine and mix it all up. I always hit it with a little paprika. Now keep in mind the noodles is cooked in bouillons, chicken bouillon, so they have a little flavor. Now I'm gonna top this all off again with some more cheese. Top that all off again. Fill that thing up like that. Macaroni and cheese should be looking like that right before you put it in the oven. Cook it until the cheese on the top turn golden brown, baby. Bring it out the oven looking like that. See what it looks looking like. Yeah. Ready to go.